Hi guys, how are you all? I think everyone is well. Today I'm going to show you statistics with Python, uh, which is the practice project you can add in your resume to show you are able to do the statistics with Python also. Okay, and I also done these questions in my notebook. You can see notebook image here. Here is the images where I solved this question by hands on the notebook, and that we will going to do in the Jupyter Notebook in the Python, sorry, with Python. And let's start this video without wasting time. And one thing, if you have not much time to watch this video until end, then please use the 2x speed, and let's start this video. So here is the video, and as usual I am going to using AI. Why AI? Because the world use AI to boost the project speed. Okay, so why we are using AI to boost the project speed? So let make the first we need to make the Conda env. So let make the Conda environment. So here is I paste the command to make the environment. So let make the environment. Okay, it taking time, then it will make it. And I install the Python 3.11, but AI it tell me to install the Python uh, 3.9, but I install 3.11. Okay, now I am going to installing libraries that are we need in this project. So let install. Now the libraries are installed, and in the final moment, now I am going to making the notebook for project. So here is the notebook. Let's select the environment kernel also. Now here is the task, linear regression and correlation. We will calculate regression coefficient of y on x and regression coefficient x on y. Okay, and correlation coefficient. Again, I select the environment. It connecting. Now it connect. Let import the libraries. Sorry, here is the code. So here is the code. We will use pandas and numpy for this task. Um, Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all, and also like this video, and thanks for watching. Here we import libraries, and here we define the data set. Okay, and here we create data frame by using pandas function pd, and here is the calculator of sums, which you can see in the my notebook. So here is the calculated table form. Okay, and okay, it's showing x square y square xy. Okay, uh, which you can watch in my notebook also. And also it collect sorry um, calculate the sum of x square y square and xy. Let's move to next. This is the formula, regression coefficient of y on x byx. Let solve this by using this command, by using this code. Okay, here we create the function numerator and denominator yx, and here is the numerator is 200 20 and denominator is 50. And here is the regression coefficient byx, which is 4.40. Now regression coefficient of x on y, bxy, and here is the formula also. Now here is the code. We only make the denominator, numerator is not changed. So here numerator is 220 and the denominator is 986, and here is the regression coefficient bxy 0.2231. Now this time correlation coefficient are, here is the two formulas you can watch. Now let's solve this by using this code. We import, now we import math, and also we create the function r. Now here is the correlation coefficient. R is 0.9908 and verification 0.9908. There is very strong positive correlation. Okay, let's move to our next target. But here is the table df.style. Uh, it is clear now. Now this time we are going to doing statistics for group data, mean, median, and mode, arithmetic mean, median, and mode. Given data, age groups and frequencies are these. Now here is the code. Uh, we are going to using pandas also. Here we make the data frame, and here we calculate the drive columns, sum of calculations also here. And next we print the all result. Here is the full calculation table, age, frequency, x and fx and cf also. Let's see the table in that is right table. Now df.style is best code. Now let's calculate the calculation of mean. Here is the formula also. Now let's solve this by using code. Here I make the variable sum of fx over sum of f, and here is the mean 41.50. Now let calculate the median of the data. Here I run the cell. Now median is calculated, which is 41.75. Now let's move to our mode. Let's see the mode of data, calculation of mode. The mode class is the class with the highest frequency. Here it is 41 to 50. Now here is the code. Let's run this cell. Okay, I run this cell. Now the mode is 43. Okay, we done the project. Now we need to make the README file for this project. Let's make the README file to understand the project easily. I made the README. This README file is help you to understand the project. Also, I hope this was our today video. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, then hit the like button, and also subscribe my channel. When you subscribe my channel, it help me to support my videos, to support me. So please subscribe without wasting time, and we will meet again. Bye bye.